last key to unlock the full power of your smart factory or facility is automating the control, documentation, and coordination of the materials, tools, and people that come together in that process. Siemens ident solutions, including radio frequency identification, or RFID, and real-time locating systems, or RTLS, provide you with the tools you need to unlock that full potential. RFID and RTLS, two distinct identification and locating technologies, work in tandem in your facility to provide continuous monitoring of assets and people and deliver data on location and movement to manage resources efficiently, enhance traceability, optimize asset utilization, lower costs, and improve production quality. RFID offers you the ability to identify objects and/or people in specific locations as readers are placed in key locations and tags are placed on the objects you want to identify and locate. For example, a reader can correctly identify materials arriving at a weighing station, identify specific work in progress for custom processing, and provide precision data to manage inventory levels by measuring the movements of materials. RTLS goes beyond static location technology to give you the ability to locate objects anytime and anywhere in real time, whether at rest or in motion. In this case, the tags that are placed on objects actively broadcast location data, allowing you to track and trace objects within 1 foot or 30 centimeters. RTLS delivers the exact location of any high-value asset. For example, tools, pallets, production materials, casts, or molds used in manufacturing. Trace where products and/or people are moving to improve production and logistic flows, reduce bottlenecks, and even monitor and control traffic of forklifts, AGVs, and workers to increase safety. Siemens identification and locating solution cover a wide range of applications and use case scenarios no matter the industry. Importantly, these solutions can provide a critical temporal dimension to production digital twins of modern, self-organizing factories of the future that pinpoint what and who is where in real time. All of this locating and use data can be integrated into your on-premise edge or cloud-based ERP or MES solutions easily based on your company's preferences. Unlock the power of identification and location turnkey solutions with Siemens RFID and RTLS products today. Visit usa.siemens.com/ident.